Hello, stop charging your phone the wrong way. If you've ever woken up to an overheated phone or noticed your battery life getting worse, this video is for you. And before you scroll away thinking this isn't my phone, hold on. Because whether you're using a Samsung, Tecno, Infinix, iPhone, or any other device, this tip work for you. These tips work for you. Let me show you how to protect your phone's battery and make it last longer. So the first step is to turn on battery protection. So on Samsung Galaxy phones, you go to settings and you go to some phones. Some Samsung will have it at battery and then device care, or for me I just go to straight to battery, and then you might see more battery settings. Okay, but me it's just here on the first menu, so I'll just tap here, tap and hold this to turn on protect battery. So turn on protect. This keeps your battery charged below 85%, which extends battery lifespan. So this is what it looks like on my phone. So I'll read this. It said keeping your battery at full 100% charge for a long time can reduce its lifespan. Choose an option below to protect your battery and make it last longer. So you can select basic, adaptive, or maximum. So when you select basic, when your battery is charged to 100%, charging will stop until the battery level drops down to 95%, and then the charging will start again. If you choose this one, it will stop charging at 80% while you're asleep and switch to basic before you wake up. So sleep time is estimated based on your phone usage pattern. Okay. So, or you can choose maximum. This maximum protects your battery will stop charging when it reaches 80%. All right. So that's on Samsung phones. But on if you're using Tecno, Infinix, check under settings, battery lab, or smart manager. You might find something like battery protection or charging optimization. So for iPhone users, you go to settings and you go to battery health and charging, and turn on optimize battery charging. Step 2 thing that you can do is to avoid charging with the case on, especially overnight. So when you charge your phone overnight with a thick case, heat builds up. That heat is a slow battery killer. So try removing the case or use a ventilated stand to keep things cool. Okay? Step 3 is to use original or certified chargers. Always use your phone's original charger or a certified third-party charger. Cheaper cables can cause overheating or slow charging. So look for fast charging certified labels if you're using Android, or MFI certified for iPhones. Step 4. Step 4 is to switch to slow charging at night. So did you know fast charging can heat up your battery more? At night or when you're not in a rush, use slow charging. So to use slow charging on Samsung, you go to settings, again you go to battery, we're still on the battery thing, and then you go to more battery settings. All right, so on some Samsung you would go to more battery settings and then toggle off fast charging. For on this my S22 Ultra, you tap here charging settings and you can switch between fast charging, super fast charging, or fast wireless charging. So you can toggle this off. Okay. So on Tecno, Infinix, OnePlus might not have these settings directly, but using a regular charger instead of a fast one works just as well. So for iPhone users, use a lower wattage charger or plug into a computer port instead of a wall brick. Okay. Step 5 is to avoid charging to 100% all the time. So try to keep your battery between 20% and 85%. Charging to 100% every time wears out lithium-ion batteries faster, and your phone won't last as long term. Okay, won't last as long term. Okay, so set a reminder or use the built-in protection mode I showed earlier. So now step 6 is don't change and use heavy apps. Watching videos or gaming while I'm sorry, not don't change. Don't charge and use heavy apps. So watching videos or gaming while charging heats up your phone fast. This weakens the battery. Instead, let it charge peacefully or use light apps if necessary. So these small changes can make a big difference. Your battery will thank you and your phone will last longer. So if you found this helpful, smash that like button, share with someone who's always charging wrong, and subscribe for more smartphone savings tips. Let me know in the comments which phone you use and what tip surprised you the most.